Welcome to our series on new features in Anthology version 8. In this video, I'll be showing you the new quick searches available for looking up inventory items or customers. Let's start by looking at the Inventory Assistant. As you may know, the Inventory Assistant is available to you on any screen where you want to look up or enter an inventory item. You can either click on the Assistant button next to the ISBN SKU field, or if you prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard, simply press the F2 key. In this video, for clarity's sake, I'll be using the on-screen controls to take actions, but please remember that most of them do have keyboard equivalents for rapid data entry. I'll just click on the Assistant button, and here's the Inventory Assistant screen. Now, the first thing to notice is the new Quick option below the search field, in addition to the keywords author, ISBN, SKU, title description, and reverse ISBN search options. By default, the Inventory Assistant will open with whichever search type you last used. In this case, Quick Search is already selected for us. The Quick Search works kind of like a Google search. You don't have to specify whether you want to search by keywords, author, title, or whatever. Simply enter the value you want to search on into the search field. For example, suppose we want to look for the book, The Book Thief by Marcus Zusak. We can enter Book Thief. Again, pressing Alt or Alt-N would launch the search, but for clarity's sake, I'll click on the button labeled Alt-N Search Inventory. And we find the book right away. Let me just reset our search. And now, let's try it with the author's last name. Again, the book is located in this way without our having to specify that it's the author's name rather than, say, the title that we're searching on. The other searches work as well. If we have the book in hand but don't have a scanner, we can enter a few digits from the end of the ISBN number. I'll reset the search and then add the last 4 digits of the ISBN of our test book, and there it is. You can even combine 2 search types in a single search. For example, a word or words from the title with an element from the author's name. Let's reset. Let's type in the single word book. Of course, this gives us a very large result, and we can find our book by, say, searching on author name and scrolling down, and there it is. But that's a long way round. We can refine our search simply by adding the first letter of the author's last name, like so. And that makes our search specific enough that we find exactly the book we want. Before leaving the Inventory Assistant screen, let me just call your attention to the new F5 Web option. This new option allows you to search the web as well as your own inventory for books that you're interested in. To learn more about this new option, please view our video on web resources, also available on the Anthology channel. Now let's take a look at the Customer Assistant Quick Search. I'll close out the Inventory Assistant here. I'll go up to the Customer field. I'll invoke the Customer Assistant by clicking on the Assistant button, like so. Once again, selecting Quick as our search type allows us to search freely on any of our search types. Last name, let me just reset, or by customer code. You see we find the same customer once again. I'll reset. We can do it by organization name. We have 2 people belonging to that organization. Or we can even search by the last 4 digits of the telephone number. Like the quick search in the inventory assistant, the customer quick search frees you from having to specify a search type, although, of course, it still allows you to do so if you want to focus your search in the way that I showed you a moment ago with the inventory assistant. And I should mention also that the quick searches are available on the maintenance screens for inventory and customers as well. If you found this video on quick search useful, please check out the other videos on the Anthology channel on YouTube in this series. And to learn about other videos as well as other Anthology-related news, follow us on Twitter. Thanks for watching.